Wonderful it would be to live on the magical island of Sodor, having Thomas the Tank Engine and his friends all day long. It would be like a dream come true. If only I could be an engine too. Oh yes, it's engine as you're steaming along.
Wait,